Alright folks, look what we got here. We've got a 2018 Chevy Cruze in that kinetic blue. It's been so popular this year. Unbelievable. It also has the black interior with the 16-inch aluminum wheels. We come around the front, it has the halogen headlights and the fog lights as well. This is the RS package, which is really a slick package. It makes it look really nice. As we come around to the inside, this vehicle has the convenience package. It has the 8-way power seats, remote start, heated front seats for the passenger and the driver, as well as a push-button start. I tell you what, it also has the Bluetooth, so you can stream your music, you can make and receive calls hands-free. I mean, it really keeps your eyes on the road. It's for safety. Also, if you look in the back seat, there's plenty of room here for 3 people. This is a big size small car. It's absolutely fantastic. You got the rear defroster, a little peek at the dash there with your console, your shifter. Then we're going to move around to the back. We're going to kind of show you that trunk space and the rear view camera. There it is right there. Come see me, Steve, at Bowling Green Chevy.